Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to delete Claude conversation history. So first, open Claude and sign into your account. Next, click your profile in the bottom left corner, then go to settings. Now in here, on the left side, go to capabilities. Then in here, you should see memory section if we're using mobile. So you can click memory to inspect, update, or delete individual remember details. You can also disable it by toggling it off. So it's only available on mobile. I don't see it in here on the web. Next, another thing you can do is to delete chats. So to delete a single Claude conversation, so go to the left side and open a conversation. Now to delete this, click the conversation title at the top of the chat, then click delete. Then confirm by clicking delete again, and that's it. So that conversation will be deleted permanently. Another thing you can do is to go to the left side, then look for the conversation you want to delete, then click the three dots beside it. So here you have a lot of options. So just click delete and click delete to confirm the action, and that will be deleted permanently. So the conversation disappears from your chat history immediately. So Anthropic states that deleted conversations are automatically removed from its backend systems within 30 days, unless retention is required for legal or security reasons. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.